You probably don't pay attention to them anymore, but honestly, do you find gutter downpipes pretty? We don't like them either. That's why we can offer you a solution that is just as efficient, but much more aesthetic: rain chains. So why choose them? They bring a zen side with the water running through the chain. You can even hear them tinkle in the rain. Will I like them? With a range made up of many models of different materials and different shapes, you will necessarily find the rain chain that you need. For which buildings? There are no constraints. They can be fitted on modern houses, old houses, garden sheds, and also on large industrial buildings. Rain chains can be installed on all types of buildings. And how about the installation? No special tools are required. There's no need to be a handyman, and 5 minutes will be enough for you to position it, undo the tube, put the hook in the gutter, hang the chain. How to be sure it fits? We offer you 2 months of trials, and all our rain chains are guaranteed 10 years. Find us on rainchains-europe.com.